With NestForms, you can easily add image capture to any form. This video explains how to add images to your forms taken by responders on the ground. This might be a site photo, equipment, vehicle condition, or proof of work. To add an image to your form, simply drag the images component and position it where appropriate within your form. Give the component question a clear name so responders know what image to capture. There are multiple options within the component. You can change the file name of the image. Disable gallery images to ensure the responder is taking an up-to-date photo on site. The required checkbox lets the responder know that the question must be answered. There is an option to keep or remove image metadata from the image. For example, GPS coordinates, date and time, camera used, etc. In addition to the default camera option, responders can choose an image from their gallery. You can also provide a pop-up prompt. Read image content allows you to ask questions about images you have taken using AI. For example, describing what's in the image or the number of objects in the image. If you already have images, you can test your prompt on these images and immediately see the response. When the responder reaches this question on the mobile app, they simply push the Add a Photo button, which will open the device camera. They can take a photo and include it directly within the response. Once the response is finished, any images will upload directly to your admin account. You can see that there are images attached to the response on the right-hand side. If the images have not yet been uploaded, you will be notified with a yellow warning icon. When you open the response, you can now see the images within your form. NestForms ensures collected images are stored in relation to the exact responses. Images are used to collect all kinds of survey and inspection data, such as nature surveys, vehicle or equipment damage, building sites, or project completion handovers. Capturing images with NestForms helps teams collect accurate information directly from the field. If you need any help including images within your forms, you can find more information within the NestForms help page section.